So by now you would have guessed it that I'm quite a big fan of multi-purpose devices. So in the same line, I have got another one. Got it from Amazon, and it's quite an amazing device which has 6 functionalities in one. I'm talking about this pen. Welcome to Life of Randomness, and let's jump into it. And this comes into quite a great packaging. This looks like a pen. Yes, nice box as well. Right, let's open it up. And here we go. So this is the product. The build quality is quite good. I'm not going to say decent, it's quite good, and it's heavy as well because the things which it is housing inside. So over here what we have got a ruler. Okay, I guess it's quite a precise one, till 7 centimeters, and inch ruler as well till 3 inches. Nice. And there is the spirit leveler, the bubble level, whatever you say. Yeah, it works. See, it is in the middle. Nice one, huh? There is a stylus. Okay, and if you are going to open this one up, there is a flathead screwdriver, and if you are going to pull this one, you can see there is a Phillips head screwdriver is also there. Okay, let's try to open something with this one. I have got my Shinchan over here. Let's give it a try. Okay, yeah, handy, super handy. It's working properly, if you can see, guys. Yep, so here it goes. Here it goes. Shinchan lost his one screw, but never mind, we'll put it back. Okay, so now time to check the stylus part. Hold on, guys, let me grab my another phone.
A few moments later.
We'll try to search something over here. Let's go to google.com. It's Google. Google. Yes, and it's working properly. Yeah, I'm not going to say that it's quite great, but yes, it does its job. Okay, so yeah, it's nice. So yeah, it's working. See, nice, huh? What else we have? Yes, the grip I want to highlight upon, it's kind of a metalish, okay, not a rubberized grip, and quite a good one. Okay, if you can see, it's properly engraved or dotted, so while writing it won't be slipping easily out of your hands. Quite a good one. And now the final thing, the pen. You just need to twist it a little bit, and that's it. Life of randomness. Straight pretty good. A nice product. Quite great, huh? 6-in-1 pen, a stylus, a ruler, a bubble level, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver as well. And the most important part, it's a pen. So tell me, what do you think about this product? It fascinates me a lot. What about you guys? Let me know down in the comments. If you want this, I'll put the link. And if you enjoyed this video, Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, take care and ciao.